that CCP is collecting the garbage, taking it to Sant Inez, not getting paid for it, some racket going on. So the money will be collected and will go to somebody else. And CCP has not even taken a license.
आर्ट एंड कल्चर डिपार्टमेंटान आयोजित केल्ल्या लोकोत्सवांत ज्या एजन्सीक स्टॉल्स पार्किंग आणि गार्बेज हाताळपाची जबाबदारी दिल्ली तातूंत गडबड आशिल्ल्याचो आरोप आदली सीसीपी कावन्सिलर पॅट्रिसिया पिंटो हांणी केला. कचरो सगळो थंयच आसा आनी टॅक्स पेयर्सांचे पयशे मोडून सीसीपी ह्या कचऱ्याची विल्हेवाट लायता. तांकां ह्या खातीर कसलोच वेगळो पेमेंट मेळना असोय दावो ती करता. त्याच प्रमाण पार्किंगा खातीर जागा दवरूं नाशिल्ल्यान लोकोत्सवाक येवपी लोक कांपा रेजिडेंशियल वाठारांनी आपल्यो गाडयो पार्क करता असोय आरोप ती करता.
I've come to know that they have an agency employed to put up the stalls, to arrange for parking, to collect the garbage, to segregate the garbage, to take it where I don't know. But this is all with the agency. CCP is not involved in this in any way. But now to pick up the daily garbage, it's CCP trucks that are coming to pick up the garbage, and CCP is not getting payment for this. Besides, I asked the councillor of the ward, our ward, please get me the license issued by CCP for this festival. So she says, I got a message last night saying nobody is aware of it. Please ask the commissioner. I've been trying to phone the commissioner even now. His phone is going to it goes to voice call. I tried calling the mayor, Rohit Mansurat. He's not picking up the phone. So this is the issue, that CCP is collecting the garbage, taking it to Sant Inez, not getting paid for it. All this money goes from taxpayers' money. The citizens of Panjim are paying for all this rubbish that is being done by the CCP. So this has to stop. In fact, I have a mind to tell them to unload all the garbage back again and let the agency who is supposed to take the garbage come and pick up that garbage. I have a mind to tell them to do this, because it's not fair that the CCP picks up the garbage. CCP is not being paid. Taxpayers' money is being used for this. It's going to Sant Inez for treatment. The wet waste is also being collected by them, which is going to the site near Hira petrol pump.
So from where you came to know that they are not being paid?
I made inquiries to the CCP and I know that they are not being paid. Now you can officially ask the commissioner or the mayor, because they are not picking up my phone. Nobody knows about it. There's no file. Now everyone is, whether they got a license or not, but they don't have a license. And now this is the garbage issue. I still have to talk to you all about the parking issue. I will tell you right now about the parking issue also. I came to know that from the contract made between the agency and Art and Culture Department, that 3/4 of this ground has been earmarked for parking. You all have a look and see if there's any 3/4 left. Everything covered by stalls, toilet, water, garbage, whatever. And there's hardly any 3/4 left for parking. As a result, all the parking comes into residential areas. The minister has the audacity to say that the people of Kampal are not complaining. Mr. Minister, we are fed up of complaining. We are really fed up of your department. Please stop this Lok Utsav if you cannot handle it. I hear you have 500 stalls. If you can manage 100 stalls, take 100 stalls. Don't overdo it and take 500 stalls when you cannot manage the area. So I would like you all to just take a picture of this whole ground and see whether 3/4 of the area is available for parking. We have told the Kampal residents to put out charts today saying no parking for visitors of Lok Utsav in this area. Go to the parking allocated. Let them find their way. But we are not going to allow them to park in the Kampal residential area. We've taken too much from this government, too much from the CCP, and I think now we've got to take action in our own hands. We are already fed up with the digging in the city. Everything is choco-block, and the ministers are happy having festivals, not looking at the problems that the citizens are facing. You can't even walk in the city. Moreover, you're giving us more cars coming into the city, and this Lok Utsav, for whom? What is this? This is basically, I call it greed. And they just want to make probably more and more and more money and take it where I don't know. but this is the fate of the Panjim citizens.
मॅडम म्हाका सांग जेन्ना CCP ऑथॉरिटी नाजाल्यार CCP कित्याक म्हणून हे कलेक्ट करता कितें म्हणून रिजन
तो आतां कमिशन कोणें सांगना तांकां काड गार्बेज आनी पॉलिटिशियन्साक आयकता कितें पॉलिटिशियन म्हणटा तें आयकता सो हांव जाणो तांकां ऑर्डर्स आसा काडपाक कोणाचे ऑर्डर्स हांव नोको ते तुमी विचारात तांकां
सुपिरियरची ऑर्डर ते
वय पूण
बट गाडी यूज करता CCPची
CCP गाडी वर्कर्स फिल करपाक मागीर हे ट्रक हांगा वता सांतिनेज CCP सायट वे कोत्ता तुवें आनी रिसीट कितले weight ha te CCP
Okay, then they
so you will get the how much weight. I don't know whether anyone pays for it or not. I doubt.
Right.
So but why should they be collecting? Because the agency says segregation. Who's going to segregate all this now? Segregation, collection, treatment, everything should be done by the agency. So this is some racket going on. So the money will be collected and will go to somebody else. And CCP has not even taken a license fee. Can you imagine that?
Okay.
कसली लायसन मेळटा
License to have a fair.
Charges.
License charges.
Yeah.
I remember when I was councillor, there was one fair. After all the noise I made, we collected 17 lakh from the whoever and that was also within the Kala Academy and little bit outside. So there are charges for the fair. You cannot just go and have a fair anywhere. This is CCP territory, so you got to get license from CCP.
Also parking agent.
Now
arrangement.
parking is also part of the agency's job to identify parking and to see that there's proper parking. And I've seen that they say 3/4 of this ground is for parking. I can't find 3/4 of the ground. All the parking is in our residential area and all over Panjim. We are put to great hardships. We cannot get out of our houses. We cannot take our car out because if we take our car out, we cannot come back again. And there they've got, it's written on the back, I'll call one of the guys. Excuse me. Shh. You just take, that's an agency. I asked him who's the owner. He says Datta from Vasco. Idhar aao. Ulta. Ha. Super clean. This is the agency probably that has been taken up the cleaning. I don't know.
कचरा भरने के लिए किसने बोला?
कोणी सांगलं तुला?
किसने बोला
किसने बोला
पत्थर ने
तुमको
आपका-
डालो
अपना
अंदर? कौन पत्थर अंदर का?
डेली तुम लोग भरता है ऐसा ट्रक में ये CCP के ट्रक में कि आज ही भरा है
No. It's going every day. It's going even before the festival
डेली
starts.
कौन सा ट्रक आता है भरने के लिए दूसरा आता है आज ही ट्रक आया नहीं तो दूसरा तुम्हारा आता है तुम लोग अलग अलग कंपनी का है
आज क्या जरूरत पड़ी कि म्यूनसिपैलिटी का ट्रक
ऐसा होगा.
आज क्या जरूरत पड़े कि इस ट्रक में भरने की
ये आज ही ये ट्रक आया इतना दिन तो तुम्हारा आता था आज किसने लाया ये ट्रक कौन लाया
नहीं आप
तू यो. तू जाणार. तू यो. तू माव. He doesn't know.
ओके. क्या हुआ, क्या प्रॉब्लम है एक्चुअली बोलो.
क्या प्रॉब्लम नहीं सर
हाँ.
वो सेठ जो बुलाते हैं
हाँ.
हम डेली ये काम करने वाले
हाँ, सही
क्या
है.
हमें भी फिक्स नहीं तुम्हें बुलाते हैं तुम
हाँ डेली आप एक जस्ट वर्कर है यहाँ पे. हाँ
अब कौन बुलाते हैं उनके साथ हमें
हाँ
क्यों जाने
हाँ
का
हम समझ सकते हैं.
फिक्स नहीं है अब तुम बुलाते हैं साहब जरा काम है हम आते रहते
हाँ तो आपको कुछ भी मालूम नहीं है.
नहीं सर
सिर्फ भरने को बोला तो भरने का.
हम झाड़ू मारने का कचरा
ये
क्लीन करने
कचरा उठाने का काम आप लोग करते हैं डेली
का है सर
आप किसके काम कर रहे
गाड़ी किसका आता है आपका आता है आपका ही गाड़ी
वो हमको पता नहीं सर वो ओनर को पूछना सर
हाँ
हो आप कामगार किसके हो
हाँ?
आप किसके वर्कर हो
हमें इधर इसका वर्कर
काम का काम
आप
सब
उसके
कचरा।
कामगार हो
सब कचरा
और गाड़ी तुम्हारा आता था डेली
वो हमको गाड़ी आता
नहीं
म्यूनसिपैलिटी का ही आता है.
पार्टी वही गाड़ी है आता
ये लगाते हैं और यहाँ से
जब से
लेके
शुरू है यही गाड़ी आता है यही गाड़ी
ये
में आप
गाड़ी
लोग भरते हैं।
आने के 2 दिन हो
हाँ ओके ठीक है. थैंक यू.